Today we'll be discussing about the fruit that the third president of America, Thomas Jefferson, used to grow in his garden, the Balsam apple, its history and its health benefits. Momordica is a Latin word that means to bite and refers to the look of the uneven seeds in the fruit. The balsam is the resinous exudate or sap which forms on certain kinds of trees and shrubs. Balsam apple is a tendril-bearing annual vine belonging to the family Cucurbitaceae, which is basically the cucumber family. If you need to learn more about the cucumber family, watch our video, The African Cucumber, links in the description below. The balsam apple is native to the tropical regions of Africa, Asia, Australia, Central America, and even North America. Although first introduced as exotic fruit, grown for its number of applications and occasional use as source of food, it soon became invasive, and suddenly their mass cultivation and demand became very high in Asia, America, and even Australia. And before you ask, an invasive species is an introduced organism that becomes overpopulated and can have both positive and negative effects in the new introduced environment. Contrary to their fruit status, legend has it that these fruits were not actually grown as food, but rather a source of medicine and ointment. Early records show that the balsam apple was introduced into Europe by the end of 1560s and was used medicinally to treat wounds and thus was popular in war times. It came into America a little later than it did in Europe, but became just as popular nonetheless. It was during these times in 1810 that Thomas Jefferson planted seeds of this annual vine in his flower borders at Monticello, along with some other plants including larkspur, poppies, nutmeg. It has pale yellow, deeply veined flowers and round, somewhat warty, bright orange fruits, or apples if you will. When ripe, the fruits burst apart, revealing numerous seeds covered with brilliant scarlet, extremely sticky coating, a sight that you cannot unsee no matter how hard you try. Moving on to the other parts of this plant,